guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's raining.
Yep.
Can you see?
And
It's
today
literally
we're gonna do a
raining.
video. My sister dared me to go outside.
It's going to rain.
Yeah, she dared me. Where's the umbrella?
I think you guys can get a better look over here. It's like literally pouring. Not pouring, but it's like raining. Look. It's calming down. It's not raining that much. It literally stopped. What the heck? Can you guys hear? Guys, he's just doing it in the front, so. She's just doing it in the front because it's not really raining right now. This way. See guys, it's not really raining. It's not really raining, it's just at the roof. That's why. Guys, look at all this water. It's
weird.
really nothing. The Christmas tree is like bad.
Yeah,
I want to try to fix it. I know, because the kids destroyed it, but I want to try to fix it. But it's really hard, so I'm gonna come back and try to fix it. Guys, it's really like it starts raining and then it stops and then it starts raining. It's so weird. And I'm cold. Guys, I'm gonna try to find my pajamas. Guys, it's literally raining again.
Do it.
Pouring, guys. Guys, this looks like a dress on me, but it's really not. I'm just gonna put on my. This is not a pajama. It's like a sweater, but I look weird. Why are you crying, baby?
I'm just enjoying my food.
Yeah.
Want some?
Guys, I will show you my homework. So I have this book right here, and just don't really read it, but it's a lot of pages. No. And I have my folder, but I don't really use that. I have my homework now. But now I have to do this back of the page and I have this homework. Oh, can I finish this? I finished this, so I don't have to do this homework. I finished it. And I have this. And I have to finish this last page. And it's multiplying decimals in a typeface eraser. Guys, I took off like the stuff that looked like a dress. Okay guys, I finished doing my homework. No, I didn't finish it, but I finished reading. This book, I finished it. Okay, now I have to write down all the stuff I wrote. Great glass. Okay, bye. Ronald McDonald. Just kidding. Wait, what? This is I'm recording the wrong way. I'm sorry, guys. I think I am. I'm not sure, but I feel like I am. ALD. Guys, I already did that. I write so bad. Guys, this is probably the shortest video I'm gonna make. Write bad, but now I have to write a summary of what I read. Stop it, little girl. off my stuff. Oh, you broke it. Just kidding. My uncle broke it in accident when he sat down. Get off! I'm doing my homework. Get off my Ashley. I said get off. Guys, comment down below if you guys know what brand this is. A J and an S. Guys, I'm finished with my homework.
Papi, I'm gonna make a magic one. Papi, look.
Focus. Finish with that.